welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is a very big day for me and I'm so excited. Hey guys, so it was a long day but I had a lot of fun and it was a very big day for me because I bought my first car, and thank you everyone for all the wishes and love in the comment section. I was so happy. So now it's almost time for me to go to bed, and before that I am gonna take you through my night regime. So for a few days I've been using this amazing natural Vita Rich face care kit from the Mom's Company, and it's a very good kit. I'll show you what all it has. It has a good face wash, it has a face cream, face serum and under eye cream. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I use the face wash and the face serum. So I'm really liking this face wash. Firstly, it is 100% natural and it gently cleans and hydrates. It has a lot of ingredients and all of them are natural. It has vitamin C, B3, B5, hyaluronic acid. It also has witch hazel, which is very good for your skin. So now I'm gonna go wash my face with this face wash. I would like to add that this face wash has olive oil based cleansers and not sulfates, so it cleanses your skin while being gentle. It reduces pigmentation and also improves skin collagen. It soothes sensitive skin. So now I washed my face with the face wash and I'm feeling very fresh. And now I'm going to use this face serum. I'm going to show you how it's very easy. So as you can see, there's a very good applicator. I'm going to take the serum and take just few drops, the palm, and gently I'm going to apply all over my face. And take it like this. And don't forget the neck. Neck is also very important. The texture is very light and it's very easy to apply. It gets easily absorbed and it smells very good. So I've been using this face serum for some time now, and just before I go to sleep I apply a few drops of this serum. It improves uneven skin tone, it reduces pigmentation, brightens the face, restores skin moisture and radiance. So as you all know that I have oily skin, so there are a lot of face serums that I can't use because they get very sticky and oily. But my favorite part about this face serum is that it gets easily absorbed into my skin. This is 100% natural, and that's why I really like this product. There is kakadu plum, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and also chia seed oil with other ingredients. Also, there is this under eye cream from Moms, and it is a very good product. It has coffee oil which reduces puffiness. Although I don't use this product or any under eye cream for that matter, but if you want something for your dark circles and if you want to reduce the puffiness, you can use this product. It comes with this unique roller, so easy application, and it also has vitamin E and B3. So yeah guys, it is a very good product. So guys, I'm done with my night regime. Today has been a very good day and one of my most memorable day because I bought my first car and it really means a lot. So I'm going to sleep because tomorrow I'm shooting. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.